And please ensure that these meetings, agriculture advisory committee meetings, are held regularly at the RBK level on the first Friday of every month, and on the second Friday of every month at mandal level, and third Friday of every month at the district level by the collectors. Mandatory and must. Similarly, seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, the distribution of these at the RBK level is very important. Somebody goes to a kiosk, presses for the requirement, and within a stipulated period, 24 hours or 48 hours, they need to be supplied. The collectors would have to take control over the situation, not only in delivery, but also of the quality that is going to be distributed through these RBKs. The collectors would be questioned on this. If at all a particular RBK does not supply quality material, because government of Andhra Pradesh is standing guarantee for the quality there. So it's very important that there is a proper protocol in place, proper SOP in place, proper monitoring in place, and we stand guarantee. The government stands guarantee. The collectors stand guarantee. Together we stand guarantee, so that no spurious seed or no spurious pesticide or no spurious fertilizer is supplied there through the RBKs. And in fact, the spurious element should be removed from the system, which also requires that all the private shops, raids are conducted systematically making sure that the collectors and the SPs sit down together every week. Make sure you discuss the progress of these raids and make sure that these raids are conducted. Jaganana Shashwata Bhuhakku and Bhuraksha. So, this is one particular aspect, a survey which is being conducted after 100 years of the previous survey being conducted. Now, this is one activity which will transform the state, put the state altogether onto a different bracket. Every collector, this is an experience. This is once in a lifetime experience, and you are a part of it. This will totally ensure that every record is properly vetted, the dimensions clearly marked, so much so that by the completion of this, you would have a sub-register office in that Grama Sachivalayam itself to conclude the exercise. So this is something where you actually, as collectors, write your name in the history books. That while I was the collector, we did this. This is one experience where it hardly, where it's very difficult for any collector to obtain. And this is what's happening now in our regime. So please make sure that this activity is taken very, very seriously. At your level, it is very important that you cater one day for MSMEs in a month and one day for other industries other than MSMEs separately in a month. So 2 days in a month for industries, 1 day for MSMEs, and 1 day for other industries other than MSMEs in a month. This is mandatory, this is a must. Only when you dedicate 1 day of your time in a month, you will interact with them, you will understand what kind of problems they have, and you will be in a better position to address those issues. it is very important that you at your level give that kind of confidence to the industry. Only then we will have growth in industrial sector taking place. Moreover, these district industrial and export promotion committee meetings, these meetings where district collector is the chairman, these meetings with members from various departments, including banks, these are supposed to be taking place regularly once in a month. But these meetings are not taking place regularly. Unfortunately, the system lost track. Since 2014, the system lost track. The reason why I emphasize that these meetings also take place is because when we do not conduct these district industrial and export promotion committee meetings, wherein the collector himself chairs the meeting and wherein the bankers and various members of various departments also participate, until unless you conduct these meetings every day, you will not be in a position to give them industrial clearances. You will not be in a position to give them sanction for various incentives, industrial incentives. You will not be in a position to monitor pollution levels. You will not be in a position to guide them on the pollution issues. You will not even be aware of what kind of pollution monitoring is happening. Allotment of lands, all these issues will fall in place. So spare 3 days. 1 day for MSMEs to understand their grievances, to address those grievances. 1 day for other industries to understand their grievances and to address those grievances. And 1 day, third day, 1 day for this conduct of this district industrial and export promotion committee meetings. Now we've come up with a 75% local reservation act. Who's going to implement this? This act is very much linked to industrial incentives also. If somebody does not adhere to this 75% local reservation, he will not be eligible for industrial incentives as well. And it is a must that you actually enforce this 75% local reservation. This is the only area that you can address to meet the aspirations of the localites. So it's very important that all these acts that we have passed, they become reality. The skill development centers that for every parliament you're actually constructing. I think the activity will start on Vijayadashmi, where all the 25 locations you actually will have skill development colleges coming up, which are intended to actually give the finishing touches, the polishing touches for those people who have done their polytechnic, who have done their engineering, who have done their ITIs, who've done these courses, but yet require a little bit of those polishing skills to actually help them get a job. So that college, that skill development colleges, the construction of that, those will be started on Vijayadashmi Day. So all these things, what we are intending to do for jobs, to meet the aspirations of youngsters, to do something good for industry, to actually help the industry. that ఇటీవల రాష్ట్రంలో కొన్ని దురదృష్టకరమైన ఘటనలు జరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. ప్రభుత్వంలో పోలీసులు కానీ, కలెక్టర్లు కానీ, గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ ఎంత బాగా స్పందించినా కూడా there is always a negative campaign with vested interests. బురద జల్లాలి అని ఆరాటపడతా ఉన్న వ్యవస్థను కూడా మనం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం. అటువంటి దారుణమైన పరిస్థితిలో ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి బాధ అనిపిస్తుంది. దట్ ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ They're not even bothered that కొంతమంది ఆడపిల్లలు, చిన్నపిల్లలు, ఆడపిల్లలు వాళ్ళ కుటుంబాల గౌరవాలను కూడా నష్టం జరుగుతుందని తెలిసినా కూడా they want to politicize it. In fact, so much so that one particular case where nothing happened there. But on eve teasing, it was more like eve teasing, that the constable was also suspended. And so much so happened on that particular issue that even they tainted that girl and that family as though వాళ్ళ ఆత్మాభిమానము కూడా పాపం వాళ్ళకి ఆ విషయాలన్నీ చూస్తే ఆ సోషల్ మీడియాలోను వాళ్ళు ప్రచారం చేసిన తీరును, వాళ్ళ ప్రెస్కి అడ్రస్ చేసిన పరిస్థితులను చూస్తే that little bit of dignity whatever they had as a family, papam adi kuda bajarunu pedta unnaru. So much so is happening politically. So please make sure that we are more cautious, we are more sensitive to whatever is happening in the districts, especially the SPs and especially the collectors. You need to be more cautious, you need to be more sensitive. Be prepared in the angle that you are fighting somebody who you are actually fighting not with a politician, not with a political party, but with a section of media who's got vested interests. You're fighting with Enadu, you're fighting with Andhra Jyoti, you're fighting with TV5. These people do not care for anything other than the aspect that they want their person to be the chief minister of the state. And to achieve that, they do not mind throwing mud on anybody. Least of all, my collectors, my SPs. So be mindful of this aspect. Be extra sensitive to what is happening around. Be extra cautious to what is happening around. And be hypersensitive. Even if the situation is small, immediately attend to it. Don't leave any scope for anybody to even twist it. This is my advice to you. Because of what is happening around, at times it quite bothers. Knowing the fact that no matter what you do, no matter how good you do, no matter how concerned you are, yet there is no appreciation when it comes to vested interests. So please be mindful of this and be extra cautious on this aspect.